Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Skillshare and MasterClass. Skillshare and MasterClass are popular online learning platforms with different preferences. Skillshare is a subscription-based learning platform offering thousands of online classes primarily focused on creative fields. It offers a wide range of subjects from creative arts to business, marketing, technology, and lifestyle. However, some courses may be more beginner-focused and not as in-depth for advanced learners. MasterClass offers a more premium, high-quality learning experience with courses taught by world-renowned experts in various fields. It is more focused on high-level concept, inspirations, and personal insights rather than practical hand-on learning. However, it is limited to creative, entertainment, and lifestyle topics, fewer options for professional development or technical skills. In my opinion, Skillshare is for practical, affordable learning, while MasterClass is for inspirational courses by experts. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.